good morning sa mga minamahal kong followers and subscribers ng Tax Tutorials for MSME. Happy New Year po sa inyong lahat. Marami pong nagtatanong sa akin kung kailan ang deadline na filing and payment ng annual registration fee sa Bureau of Internal Revenue. Wala na po tayong annual registration fee na 500 pesos sa Bureau of Internal Revenue since 2024. Yan po ay sakop ng Ease of Paying Taxes Act na naging effective noong January 22, 2024. Yung Ease of Paying Taxes Act natin, RA 11976. Yun. No more annual registration fee for business taxpayers na 500 pesos. May vlog na ako tungkol dyan sa advisory na yan. At yan ay makikita din sa RR 11-2024, issued on June 13, 2024. So, mag-relax na lang kayo. Yung inyong Certificate of Registration or COR reflecting the registration fee sa tax type, business taxpayers are no longer required to pay the annual registration fee. Hindi rin required na kailangang i-replace ang existing BIR Certificate of Registration na merong registration fee. Pwede kayong magpa-update ng Certificate of Registration kung merong other update of information. Kahit merong registration fee sa tax type sa ating COR, hindi tayo required na magbayad. Yan po ay, ang basis natin ay RR 11-2024. Isa pang itinatanong ng iba, yung expiration ng official receipts. So, sa RR 11-2024, taxpayers may continue the use of remaining official receipts as supplementary document. All unused or unissued official receipts may still be used as supplementary document upon the effectivity date of this regulation until fully consumed, provided that the phrase, "this document is not valid for claim of input tax." Pwede siyang gamitin as collection receipt. Halimbawa, ang ating primary document ngayon for sales or exchange for sale or pag-render mo ng service is sales invoice or service invoice. So, kung nirender mo siya on account, upon collection ng credit, ay pwedeng mag-issue ng official receipt. Yun, supplementary document siya. Another provision is the taxpayer may convert or use the remaining official receipt as invoice. So, pwedeng i-convert ang ating remaining official receipts into service invoice, billing invoice, or charge invoice. Ganon. So, yun ang deadline noon ng pag-submit ng inventory of unused official receipts last year ay July 31, 2024. Na nag-submit tayo sa BIR ng yun, may template akong sinesend sa mga nag-inquire sa akin tungkol sa inventory list of unused official receipts. Then, kapag nakapa-receive na ng inventory list of unused official receipts sa BIR, magpagawa ng stamp, service invoice, billing invoice, charge invoice. At i-strike through ang word na official receipt sa ating resibo. Then, stamp yung service invoice. Dapat, dun sa converted service invoice, dapat na ka-indicate din doon ang quantity, unit price, and amount. and nature of service na nirender ng taxpayer. Kung walang nakalagay nun, magpagawa na lang po ng stamp na indicating the nature of service, unit price, then the amount. Okay. Ganon din sa mga large taxpayers or kahit hindi large taxpayers, basta gumagamit ng mga cash register machines at saka point of sales, POS machine, kailangan din po nilang magpa-convert ng kanilang official receipt to invoice. So, ipapa-register sa BIR or ipa-update ang kanilang registration. Ganon din sa mga computerized books of accounts. Okay? Sana po nakatulong sa inyo ang aking video ngayon. Please like and share my videos. Kung bago kayo sa aking channel, click subscribe para makareceive kayo ng notification kapag may bago po akong video. Thank you so much. Bye!